Good day, class. I'm your teacher today. My name is Ronald B. Cabrera, but you can call me Teacher Ron. I have here 3 poems, and I will read it to you. The first poem is entitled Quiet Night Thought. At the foot of my bed, moonlight. Yes, I suppose there is frost on the ground. Lifting my head, I gaze at the bright moon, bowing my head, thinking of home. And the second poem is Seeing of a Friend. Green hills above the northern wall, white water winding east of the city. On this spot, our single act of parting. The lonely tumbleweed journeys 10,000 leagues. Drifting clouds echo the troubled thoughts. The setting sun reflects my old friend's feeling. You wave your hand and set off from this place. Your horse whines as it leaves. And the last poem entitled Waking from Drunkenness on a Spring Day. Life in the world is but a big dream. I will not spoil it any labor or care. So saying, I was drunk all day, lying helpless at the porch in front of my door. When I woke up, I blinked at the garden lawn. A lonely bird was singing amid the flowers. So class, I have here 3 questions about the poem I read. First question is, what is your realization about the poem? Yes, sir? Very good. Second is, what do you feel about the poem? Yes, miss? Very good. So, does the poem I read have an inspiration or something na pinagugutan ng emosyon? Yes? Very good. So, this poem I read is composed by Levi. So, this is our topic, the poems of Levi. But first, everyone please read our objectives. Thank you, class. But who is Levi? Levi is also known as Lipong, Lipai, Litaupo, or Litaypay. In his early age, born in Central Asia, Levi's family eventually moved to Sichuan province. He spent his youth wandering throughout Sichuan, developing his skills in swordsmanship and poetry. After traveling through central China, he moved to Hubei province, where he married and settled briefly. He moved to central capital Chang'an, but now Xichang, where he lived among the other poets, but did not secure a formal appointment. The court exile of Levi. Levi was invited to the Hanlin Academy by Emperor Xuanzong. However, he was eventually expelled from the court. He later served Prince Yong during a rebellion, which led to his arrest and imprisonment. After being pardoned, he continued to wander throughout China, writing extensively. And his legacy is Levi's poetry is characterized by its spontaneity, rich language, and use of allusion, making a highly prized. His work is also known for its vivid imagery and conversational tone, often reflecting his own experiences and philosophical views. He is considered one of the greatest poets of the Tang Dynasty, and his influenced countless poets and artists throughout history. His poems are often included in classical Chinese poetry, anthologies, and continue to studied and appreciated today. Some of his famous poems include White Nine Thoughts and The Step Road of Shu. So this is the Levi's timeline and travel. In 701 CE, born in Suyang near modern-day Kyrgyzstan, raised in Sichuan. In 720 CE, begins intensive travels throughout Sichuan and western China, and his poems or themes created early poems on nature and Taoism. Poems created White Nine Thoughts, a nostalgic meditation on awe. In 730 to 740 CE, travels to Chang'an, Loyang, Mount Emi, and Yellow River. And the poem he created is waking from drunkenness on a spring day, visiting the Taoist priest Dai Tang Chan, but not finding him. In the date of 742 CE, summoned to Chang'an Emperor Xuanzong joined the Kali Academy. And the theme created is Rites Court poems, panegyrics, and satire. Notable poems bring in the wine and heart is the way of the world. In the 744 CE, Mixduku friends formed travel with him briefly, and the poems he created is Ballad of Old Cyprus and many other reflecting friendship aging. In 745 to 755 CE, wanders south along the Yangtze River, visits Yubei's Yuman Guangxi, and the poems he created night sailing in the Wu River and Yellow Crane Tower. In 755 to 757 CE, An Lushan rebellion begins to support Prince Yong in civil conflict. The poems he created is Song of Galan Partition. In the day 758 to 726 CE, exiled to Yelang, modern Wingshou, later pardoned. The poems he created is Descending Mount Lushan on a Moonlight Night, and the day of 762 CE, dies near Nangtu, Anhu province. Legend says he drowned reaching for the moon's reflection. Final poems reflecting aging, disillusionment, yet maintaining lyrical beauty. Okay. So I have here an activity. I will divide you into two groups, which is this is group 1 and this is group 2. You will choose one poem and you will deliver it with your own unique way. I will give you 3 to 5 minutes. Okay, group 1, any represent? Please proceed in front. What's a nice delivery. Group 2, magpapatalo ba kayo sa group 1? Wow! Pareho naman magagaling kayong lahat. Please clap. So, what did you learn about life of Levi? Yes, sir? Very good. So, did you imagine yourself become Yes, ma'am. In the back. Yes. Very good. So when Levi learned to write or compose poem. Yes, sir. Very good. Based on the timeline we discussed, who became Levi's friend? Yes, sir. Very good. So that is all our lesson for today. Thank you, class.